Welcome to Supsystic, a magical WordPress world where all plugins play nicely together. If this video is too quick, feel free to pause or use the cog menu as shown in this video to slow it down. Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through organizing your photos and creating intuitive navigation for your photo gallery creations. This ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience for both you and your viewers. Let's start by organizing your photos. Go to the Categories and Pagination page and enable Categories and click Save. Once saved, go to the image list and look for the Category button. Add your categories. In this case, I will add only 2 categories, Easy and Advanced. Categorizing yoga positioning from Easy to Advanced classes. Once done, go back to your settings. And go back to Category page. Here, we can choose Hide the All category and only show the category that we have listed. You can also turn on and off the shuffling animation when they click on a category. You can also set the duration time of the animation, and control the positioning of the category. Now let's check our categories by clicking on the Preview button. Let's try hiding the All button from the category, and try shuffling animation and change the position and alignment. Then let's use Flexible Height this time. If the option is not enabled, the gallery height will not decrease if the number of visible photos is reduced. Also, we can change the order of the categories by just dragging each section. We can also enable and disable title. Instead of automatically making the first letter of each word in your category names uppercase, you can choose to have them all lowercase if you enable this option. Multi-select when option is enabled. You will be able to select several categories for the review. I will leave this off now as I only have a few photos. Under Multi-Select, if at least one selected, this option shows images that belong to any of the categories you choose. For only All selected, this option shows images that belong to all of the categories you choose. Also, if you opted for pagination instead of a category, you can click and enable the pagination. Just to note, you can't use both category and pagination. You need to choose one. Here, you can control how many images per page, have the ability to show previous and next arrows, rename your arrows, button positioning and alignment. Let's hit Save and Preview. Now, we have one more change to do. We need to customize the buttons. To customize your button, just go to the main page and click on Buttons. Choose any presets. Let's try preset 1, and change the background color, font style, size and weight, and have everything else on default. Remember, you can always go back and edit it. Always note that it is best to group related photos into separate galleries for better thematic organization and test different navigation styles to see what works best for your audience. Congratulations! You've now mastered the art of organizing photos and creating intuitive navigation. Let's unlock more. Next video. Stylish icons and image compression for top-notch galleries.